Understanding Happy National Day, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special topic that is close to the hearts of many around the world. Happy National Day. This phrase is more than just a greeting. It's a celebration of national pride and unity. Whether you're an English language learner or simply curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's dive into what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it in your conversations. Happy National Day is a phrase used to celebrate the anniversary of a country's independence or the founding of a nation. It's a day filled with patriotism, where people come together to honor their country's history, culture, and achievements. When someone says, Happy National Day, they're expressing good wishes for joy and celebration on this significant day. You might wonder, when exactly can I use this phrase? The answer is quite straightforward. Use Happy National Day on the specific day a country celebrates its National Day. This can vary widely from country to country, as each nation has its own date and ways of celebrating. You can use this phrase in both written and spoken form, whether you're sending a greeting card, a message on social media, or simply wishing someone in person. National Day is not just a public holiday. It's a day of immense pride and cultural significance. It offers a moment for reflection on a nation's journey, its battles for freedom, or its establishment as a country. Celebrations often include parades, fireworks, concerts, and other public events. By saying, Happy National Day, you're acknowledging and respecting a country's identity and the values it stands for. While Happy National Day is a positive and celebratory phrase, it's important to approach it with cultural sensitivity. Understanding the history and significance of the day for a particular country shows respect and empathy. It's also a fantastic opportunity to learn more about different cultures and histories, enriching your own understanding of the world. Happy National Day is more than just a phrase. It's a heartfelt wish for joy and pride in one's country. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of its meaning and how to use it appropriately. Whether you're learning English or looking to expand your cultural knowledge, remembering and respecting these celebrations can help bring us all a little closer. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!